Afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here from Cut That Cable Bill. Once again, that's cutthatcablebill.com. And whoo boy, I know why you're here today. You are searching for the best IPTV service of September 2019. Let me ask you if this qualifies for the best service. How about all of your HBOs, all of your Cinemaxes, all of your Showtimes, all of your Stars, all of the live pay-per-view events, NFL network, MLB network, basketball that just rolled back around. Over 4,000 channels to your disposal for less than $15 a month, folks. Those of you with cable bills over $100 a month, if you use this service, we're actually putting over $1,000 a year in your pocket because we need to cut that cable bill and get away from these monopolies. But here's what we're also going to do for you. We're going to give you a free 3-day trial, but just for trying us out for 3 days, we're going to give to you absolutely free for life an app that has over 5,000 movies at your disposal. We just wanted to say thank you for taking a look at our service. And speaking of taking a look, here's a video to show you exactly what the service will look like on your free 3-day trial and exactly what it will look like for you if you decide to join our family. Once again, this is Steve Burnett from cutthatcablebill.com, and I hope to talk to you personally myself soon.